Hey everybody, it's Kathy, and today's video is all about the new IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation and Skincare. I haven't seen any reviews on this, so I thought that I would share my first impressions with you today. And before I do that, I'd just like to tell you a little bit about the foundation because I really don't know much about it. It retails for $52 for 30 milliliters, and in the US, it's $39.50 for 1.4 ounces. It comes in 40 shades. I was so surprised when I was gathering my information for this video to see that it came in that many shades. That's wonderful. It should be easy for everybody to find a shade that works for them. It's classified as medium coverage, lightweight foundation with a natural radiant finish. And I'm just gonna read you something right off the IT website. They claim that you can have a better looking complexion and better bare skin in 2 weeks. Your Skin But Better Foundation and Skincare features medium buildable coverage that instantly perfects the skin, minimizing the look of pores and imperfections while delivering all-day hydration and wear for a natural radiant finish. It's suitable for all skin types and infused with skin-loving hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract, vitamins E and B5. Your skin-improving makeup works behind the scenes as you wear it. After just 2 weeks, your skin will look smoother, your tone will appear more even, and your skin texture is visibly refined. It's truly your foundation for better skin. So we'll see. Those are some pretty big claims. I have large pores, so I'm anxious to see how it works on my skin. As near as I can tell, there is no SPF in this. So they're claiming that if you're looking for a no makeup look, grab this foundation and your coverage will be customized from light to medium. I have mine in the shade Light Warm, number 21. So I'm going to apply it today with a damp beauty blender. I've already went ahead and put my primer on, and I'm using the Hourglass Veil Primer. It's the only primer that I own. The texture seems a bit runny, so let's see how it goes. It really soaks into the skin. It's, I don't know, this shade might be a bit light for me. It's definitely light coverage on me. I'm not sure how I feel about it right now. Oh my goodness, that's 4 pumps. Five pumps. As you can see, that was 5 pumps. I don't think it's the right color for me. I find I look a little yellow. First impressions, I don't really care for it. I'll tell you why. I'll come a little closer. You can see how it's just sort of sitting on my skin. Like I have some dry skin from last night was retin-A night, and it's just sort of sitting on it and accentuating the dry skin. Especially like around the chin, under the eyes. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Maybe it's a bit too watery for me, but first impressions, it wouldn't be my first choice. Let's powder it up and we'll see if that makes a difference. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face with the Je ne sais quoi palette, and I'm just gonna go in all over with the Bye Bye Pores Press powder and see if that helps. Well, the powder took away my pores, but can you see like all the dry skin? I just found that it was a little too watery for my liking, but yet I don't like things that are too thick. So I don't know. I think that I would still go with the Dior Cushion Compact. That stuff always looks great on me. So you can see my skin close up. Like, it's really accentuating the dryness of my skin. Like I said, I'm gonna have to exfoliate today. However, when I looked in the mirror, when I put the primer in, I really didn't notice all the dry skin. This seems to be bringing my attention to it. Definitely didn't cover my redness. And you saw me, I put on 5 pumps, so I'm not sure how much more I could have put on to make it hide the redness. I really don't know. So I'm gonna still go in with the ball wand brush into the bronzer and just sort of give myself some color. So let me know in the comments, have you tried this foundation? What were your first impressions? Do you like it? Do you agree with me that it's not really the one for me? I mean, that's fine. Like, every foundation is not gonna work for everybody, right? But I wanted to try it out, so we tried it out, and now we know. I'm using the new dual-ended Hourglass brush that I bought and put on my blush with it. I love this brush. It's the first time I've used it, but I can tell that I'm going to love it because it's a perfect size for my face. That was so easy. See, it's very, it's small, it's tiny, it's perfect. And then with the other end, I'm just gonna go in there, luminizer. Just go. Now, I didn't put any concealer on. I kind of wanted to see what the foundation, how it would cover my dark spots, but oh my gosh, like, I'm looking in the mirror here and all I can see is how it just sits on my skin. It's, like I said, not every foundation is gonna work for everybody. So I'm gonna do a quick eye look, and I'm using the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. I think I'm gonna go in my crease with Au Naturel. Wow, this really is pigmented. Oh, it's not so bad once you put it on. And then I'm going to go in the corner with, I think, Risky Biz up here, and we'll see what it turns out like. So I'm just doing the outer corner of the eye. And the brush that I'm using is the MAC 239, I believe. Actually, it looks really dark in the pan, but when you apply it, it doesn't seem that dark, so. Here because I went a little too dark at that one. And then just take that brush that I had and just blend everything. Blend, blend, blend. That's the secret, eh? My Canadian is coming out of me. The flat Sephora brush number 14. I think I'm gonna go in with Lace Teddy just for all over the eyelid. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Smudge brush, I'm going to go in with Risky Biz and just go underneath the eye. Because you know I don't put mascara on my lower lashes. And then I'm just going to go in with another brush, and I'm going to go up here to Heaven and just go underneath my brow. And then we're gonna put some mascara on. I know I haven't done my brows because I'm going to do an eyebrow video. So I just wanted to get first impressions of this foundation and just do a quick makeup look. I'm going to set everything with the IT setting spray. I love this stuff. For my lips, I'm using their new Pillow Talk Solid Serum. And I believe it's in the shade Marvelous. It's a nice, pretty pink that's gonna be nice in the summertime. Okay, so let's finish this makeup tutorial. So as you can see, I have my brows on. I just used the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil in Universal Taupe, and you can see my eyebrow tutorial coming out in the next couple of weeks. And you know how I love to finish a makeup look with a perfume, and today I'm doing Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. This scent is definitely stronger, heavier, and I tend to wear this more in the fall and the winter because the scent will linger for a good 12 hours. So let's recap the makeup. New to me, the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation with skincare. First impressions, when I first applied it, I didn't really care for it. Now let's look at it, that it's warmed up and sat on my skin for a while. It's improving a little bit. I can still see a little bit of dryness. I mean, it looks okay for light coverage now that I have makeup all over on top of it. First impressions, it's not my favorite foundation. I'll give it another try on a day after I've exfoliated, and if I see a difference, I'll be sure to let you know. I think this one is a miss for me. As always, I love the Je ne sais quoi palette. I think that I created a really nice makeup look using this palette. And I really like the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. I should use this more often. To look at the colors, they look like they're gonna be really dark. As you can see, once they're on, they look quite nice and natural looking. And I'm really enjoying the IT Cosmetics Pillow Lip Solid Serum. I have 2 of them. The other one I do find a bit dark. I'll probably use it more in the fall. It's really pretty. Let me just swatch them for you. So this one is the one that I'm wearing today, and it is Marvelous. It's a very, very light pink. And this one is Gaze, and it's quite dark. So you can see the difference. I would definitely wear that more in the fall. And love this one. It's just a really nice pink. And I love the texture of it. It's very creamy, it's not tacky, and my lips do feel hydrated. So I really love these and recommend them. And I love how they dispense with the little clicker. So if you enjoyed my video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And you can follow me on my blog as well as Instagram, and all the products that I used on my face will be linked below in the description box. So thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you soon. Bye.